Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your company profile on Gusto in 2025. Now that you've created your Gusto account, it's time to set up your company's profile. Now this is a crucial step because it gives Gusto the information that it needs to handle your payroll correctly and stay compliant with tax regulations. So let's get through it together. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Gusto account. All you got to do is start by logging into your Gusto account using the email and password that you just created. So once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to the main dashboard. Now there we move on to step 2, which is to locate the company's setup section. Now on the dashboard, look for the company's tab or a prompt that says something like, finish setting up your company or something like that, and just click on it, and you're going to be taken to the company's setup flow. Now there is step 3, where you're going to enter your business detail. So you're going to be asked to provide some key information about your business, and this includes your legal business name, trade name if you have one, also a business type like LLC or S corp or sole proprietorship, as well as your industry, and make sure that everything matches your official registration documents. Now step 4 is going to be to choose your primary work state. Now next, Gusto is going to ask where your team works. Now this helps to determine the correct state tax and compliance rules. So if you have remote employees in different states, don't worry, you can add them later, but for now start with your main business location. Now the 5th step is going to be to set up your company's start date. Now you will need to let Gusto know when your company started or when you plan to begin using Gusto for your payroll. Now if you've run Gusto before using another provider, Gusto will walk you through transferring that history over. Now the 6th step is going to be to save and continue. So once you've filled out all the required fields, just click save and continue, and Gusto is going to save your company profile, and you'll be one step closer to running your first payroll. That's it. Your company's profile is now set up, and in the next video we'll go over how to add your business address and EIN, which are both essential for tax reporting and compliance. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.